Deep cleaning on Dell Latitude 7480 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Aileen, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A deep cleaning service was performed on the Dell Latitude 7480 laptop to improve cooling efficiency, maintain stable performance, and extend the overall lifespan of the device. Over time, dust and debris naturally accumulate inside laptops, particularly around the cooling fan, heatsink, and ventilation areas. This buildup can restrict airflow, cause overheating, increase fan noise, and lead to performance slowdowns or unexpected shutdowns if not properly maintained. The cleaning process began by safely powering down the laptop and carefully opening the chassis to access the internal components. Upon inspection, dust accumulation was found on the cooling fan, heatsink fins, motherboard surface, and air vents. Using compressed air and anti-static tools, all dust and debris were thoroughly removed. The cooling fan was cleaned to restore smooth and quiet operation, while the heatsink and ventilation pathways were cleared to allow proper heat dissipation. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.